Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find your Ledger wallet address. First, ensure your Ledger hardware wallet is connected to your computer and unlocked with your personal PIN code. Then, launch the Ledger Live application on your desktop. This application acts as your interface for managing all your cryptocurrency accounts securely. Make sure you have the latest version of Ledger Live installed for optimal performance and security. Once Ledger Live is open, navigate to the Accounts section located in the left-hand menu. Here, you will see a list of all the cryptocurrency accounts you have added. Select the specific account for which you want to find the receiving address, for example, your Bitcoin or Ethereum account. After selecting, click on the Receive button. A pop-up window will display your receiving address. It is crucial to verify that this address exactly matches the one shown on your physical Ledger device's screen. This step protects against malware that might try to alter the address. Once confirmed, approve the address on your device. You can then safely copy the address from Ledger Live to share with others or paste it into an exchange for receiving funds. For optimal security, always verify the receiving address on your Ledger device's screen before confirming any transaction. Remember, your 24-word recovery phrase is the master key to your funds. Never share it with anyone, and never store it digitally. Keep your Ledger Live application and device firmware updated for the latest security features. And hey, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.